We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam. I'm working with an HP LaserJet M234sdwe printer. So this printer only has 4 possible locations for getting a paper jam. So it's going to be, of course, your paper tray, your output tray, underneath your toner, and then also in the rear. So I will walk you through these step by step. Alright, so the first step is to go ahead and check underneath your toner as long as you don't see like anything like sticking completely out. So go ahead and lift your top hatch, pull your toner out, and then if it is here, you'll see it literally right there sticking out, and go ahead and gently pull it out and remove it if you can. And when you're removing a jam, you never want to push too hard or pull too hard or real fast. Okay, so the second is going to be the output tray right here. So if you see it here, it's kind of hard to stick your hand in there, but if you can grab it, try to pull it out gently. If not, I'll show you other places to look. So the second place is going to be the back. Pretty simple here. You just pull this open. It would be right here. Pull it up and out. Like I said, anytime you're removing a jam, you want to go very slow and very gently. You don't want to break any pieces of paper off inside or any sensors. Make sure, because it's really hot here too. So last but not least, you want to look in your paper tray. You can lift this up or even pull this down. You can't see much in here, but if you see it here, then just remove it gently. Be very, very careful. Alright guys, that's it. You successfully cleared a jam on your new HP printer. If you are continuing to see jams, then it might be time to put your printer in for a service, at least get it checked out. Thanks for watching our video today and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.